What's going on, boys? So we're back here for another video. Today we're going to be working on the front end. I got a new subframe, new control arms, new tie rods, and new ball joint along with some ball joint extensions that'll give me a little bit of camber, anywhere between like 1 and 2 degrees. And I got my cousin here. He's going to be helping me today, giving me tools, helping me film and stuff. So yeah, let me show you what I got right here. So I got a brand new subframe, control arms, ball joints and ball joint extensions. So these are the extensions. And if you look right here, they got little slots. So that's how you adjust the camber. It slides like back and forth in here, and that'll adjust camber. And yeah, so I already got everything taken off right here, and it's ready to be put in. I also got new brake lines for the front, just like the rear. And here's the old stuff right here. So I gotta take these apart. I'm gonna paint them red so they match the rear, and then I gotta take this apart as well and paint it, and then put new bearings and hubs on them, and that should be it. I also have new rotors and pads as well, along with new speed sensors. So everything here should be brand new. It's gonna feel good, ride good, and it'll be good to go. All right, so we're gonna do the tie rods real quick. So I already got these on. I also got the boots on as well, so they're ready to go in. And we're gonna put them in right now. Like this. All right, so there's one side. Now we're gonna put the other side in real quick, off camera, and then we're gonna do the subframe and put that in. This is a pretty easy job, honestly. It doesn't really take much time, so we're gonna do the subframe now. All right, now it's time for the subframe. So we're gonna get that in real quick. Now you're gonna put the bolts in, line it all up, and it should be good to go. So now, just gonna get the subframe tightened up. I got the steering rack on, that's all bolted up. It's just time to get the subframe up. Just gonna get these all snug first. So that's pretty snug. Good. We're gonna run over to the other side real quick. And then obviously after all this is all tightened, we're gonna torque them all down in spec. All right, so the subframe is gonna get torqued down to 74 foot-pounds. So let's get that. We got a nice Harbor Freight little torque wrench right here.
Things are junk.
I think it gets the job done. So there's 70, 74. We'll do 75 to be safe.
Snap the bolt.
Where's that one? There's that one.
Look, dude, you already had these fucking torque spec.
I know.
That's a mechanic right there.
I guess I know what torque specs are just by the feel of it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, that's all torque to spec. Now, we'll put the control arms in, and then I gotta put the dog bone in as well. So, yeah, I'll do the control arms, then the dog bone. All right, now we got the good old control arms right here going in. All right, now we're just gonna get the control arm nice and tight. There we go. And now we're gonna do this side real quick. It might be hard for you guys to see me do it, but all right, control arm is nice and tight now. Let's see. So this is really all I can do for today because I still gotta get those bearings and everything pushed in, and I'm probably just gonna have a shop do it for me just because of these. I don't have the right tools for this, so I can to take this all off and stuff. So I think I'm gonna have a shop do it, and I also want to get these painted. So I'm gonna resume this video whenever I get these all dialed in. Hopefully tomorrow, so I can finish this video up tomorrow, but if not, 100% they'll be ready for next week. All right, so it's the next day. Yesterday we left off. I got the subframe in, we got the control arms in, and we got the tie rods in, but the knuckle, I had to get the bearing pressed into it, and I don't have a bearing pressed, so I dropped it off today. Unfortunately, it won't be done today, so I'm gonna have to pick up the video next week to put them all in. But once that knuckle goes in with the wheel bearing and everything, the front end, suspension-wise, will be done, and then I can finally put this car on the ground and then continue on to the next steps into the build. So this video is kind of short because I couldn't really do much with what I had for tools, but we'll pick up this video next week, and hopefully we can get this car on the ground, and then I can start digging into some of the engine bay stuff and then some of the interior stuff, and then I should be good to go. Another thing I forgot to mention, I think I'm gonna be redoing my trunk setup, so look forward to that video as well. I'm gonna be redoing the trunk setup. I'm getting a bigger tank, and then I'm just gonna change it up. Mine's kind of tacky, so we're gonna change it, the trunk setup, and then we should be good to go. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week.